So, which of the following carbonium ion, carbocation, that is stabilized by hyperconjugation? So, hyperconjugation. So, that is displacement of sigma electrons. Okay? Sigma electrons of CH bond which are present in alkyl group. Okay? And a displacement takes place towards sp2 hybrid carbon are having p orbitals, unshaped p orbitals. Okay? So here different carbocations are given. Primary carbocations and secondary carbocation. So here stability of carbocation is tertiary is greater than secondary is greater than primary. So here carbocations, all the carbocations are in primary manner. And this is secondary carbocation. So this is the carbocation which gets stabilized by hyperconjugation. Okay, so this is option. Next, which one of the carbocation is more stable? So stable carbocation, again same concept. Tertiary is greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary. Okay, this is secondary carbocation and this is primary. This one also secondary and this is primary. So coming to these two options. Here this is secondary carbocation but carbon directly linked with the unsaturated carbon. Okay. And here carbocation. Okay. So here carbon linked with the saturated carbon atoms. Okay. So that's why this is more stable. Okay. Then which among these can exhibit tautomerism? So tautomerism is interconversion of a molecule, same molecule into two structures. So interconversion takes place due to the migration of hydrogen atom between two polyvalent atoms. So that migration may be 1,2 migration or 1,3 migration. So two types of migration is possible here. So here different structures are given. So which one can exhibit the tautomerism easily? Okay. So to exhibit tautomerism, we must contain two polyvalent atoms which gets linked with a proton. Okay. Proton migration. Okay. So here see these structures. So three structures are given. Okay. If we consider this carbon, so it is directly linked with the two alkyl groups. Okay. So no possibility of migration of proton here. Okay. And here see this structure. So here if we consider here CH2 group. So migration of proton is possible in this structure. And here also. So no possibility is for the migration of proton. Okay. So that's why only this structure, okay, this compound can exhibit the tautomerism. So B only B can exhibit the tautomerism. Next, which of the following will lead to maximum enolization? Okay. So all keto containing compounds are given here. Acetone. Okay. And here another compound. This is this compound having both the aldehyde and keto functional groups. Okay. So but here we can consider this as diketo compound, and this is also diketo compound and aromatic compound. Okay. So all are in keto form. But coming to last structure. Okay. So here enolization. So in the enolization it converts into phenol. Okay. So keto form, tautomerism. So keto form is in equilibrium with enol form. So tautomerism is possible here and it converts into phenol, OH. Okay. So more enolic form, enolization, that is possible here phenol. Why? Because in enolic form phenol is more stable. Why? Because it shows more resonating structures. So resonance leads to stability. So that's why more enolization takes place in this compound. Okay. Next, the enolic form of ethyl acetoacetate. Ethyl acetoacetate is in below. Okay. So this is both the structures are in equilibrium with each other. And here you have to calculate the number of bonds present in enolic form. Okay. So this is enolic form of acetoacetate, and this is keto form. Okay. So you have to calculate number of bonds in enolic form, number of sigma bonds and pi bonds. See here, this compound enolic form having total 18 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. So these two are double bonds. Okay, one sigma and one pi bond. Okay, so totally 18 sigma bonds. See this structure. So you can calculate the number of sigma bonds and pi bonds here. So this is enolic form. Okay, if you calculate that, sigma bonds, number of sigma bonds are 18 and number of pi bonds are 2. So here different options are given. 16 sigma, 1 pi, 9 sigma, 2 pi, 9 sigma, 1 pi and 18 sigma and 2 pi bonds. So enolic form of that compound having 18 sigma bonds and 2 pi bonds. Okay. Next, which of the following does not exhibit tautomerism? Which of the following does not exhibit tautomerism? Okay. So you know about tautomerism. So interconversion of molecules into two different structures. Okay. So which are in equilibrium with each other. We get two isomers. One is in keto form and another one is enol form. So which does not exhibit that tautomerism. Okay. See here all these compounds. So interconversion. So migration of the proton. So that takes place 1,2 or 1,3 migration. Okay. Between two polyvalent atoms. See this compound. Here migration may takes place. CH2. Okay. C and O. So 1,3 migration is possible here. Here also 1,3 migration is possible. And here also migration is possible. Okay. But see this compound. This is benzoquinone. Okay. Here migration of proton is not possible. Okay. That's why it does not exhibit tautomerism. Okay. Next, which among the given molecule exhibit tautomerism? Okay. So here also three different structures are given. So tautomerism. So that is due to the interconversion of migration of the hydrogen atom between two polyvalent atom. One form which converts into another form. Okay. So that generally keto form into enolic form. Okay. So see this compound. So first, second. So in these two compounds there is no possibility of migration of proton. Okay. So if you consider CH here. Okay. So no migration takes place here. Okay. Then bicyclic compounds. These two are bicyclic compounds. And here also there is no possibility of migration. But coming to this compound. Okay. So here if you take this carbon. Okay. So CH2 group is there. So migration of proton takes place here. So proton migrates towards the 1, 2, 3. So third polyvalent atom. So 1,3 migration is possible here. Okay. So that's why only third compound that exhibit the tautomerism. Okay. Next, which of the following has maximum number of hyperconjugation structures? Okay. So hyperconjugation that may takes place in carbocations and also alkenes generally. Okay, unsaturated compounds. So if all here all carbonium ions are given, so carbocations are given. So you know about the order of carbocations. Tertiary greater than secondary, secondary is greater than primary, primary is greater than methyl. Okay, so here tertiary butyl carbocation, carbonium ion. Okay, it shows maximum number of hyperconjugations. Okay, next, electrophiles are electron seeking species. Which of the following group contains only electrophiles? Okay, so electrophiles are electron seeking species. Okay, electron attracting species. Okay, so in the given compounds, which set contains only electrophiles? So electron attracting means they must contain positive charge or electron deficiency. So both electron deficient molecules and positively charged molecules, they are electrophiles. Okay, so in the given set here, so AlCl3, SO3 and NO2 plus, this set is purely having electrophiles.